bunch of different districts in the high desert. We're all coming together, and we have random kids from each school placed into teams, and then we're competing on a prompt about energy efficiency, and we all have to create a product, a website, app, or anything that would address and improve upon the problem.
This has been a really great experience. I've really enjoyed watching the different students collaborate from different programs, kind of showcase their different talents and skills and things that they've learned, and I've really just enjoyed kind of seeing the thought process, and looking forward to seeing what we're able to come up with.
We are trying to create a system that basically saves energy and reduces energy waste and implement technology into that. And it's going pretty well.
Yeah, it's going pretty well so far. All of our group members are doing their own things. We got our physical building right here. We got some website development and some app development. We're going to do apps, websites, and we're going to also have a full program system with full compatibility with our program, which we'll introduce a little later on. So far we're going good. We're all working as a group, getting things done. So far on schedule. Let's hopefully keep it that way.
Yeah, we're all doing different parts. So some of us are building, some of us are researching, and some of them are creating the site.
Ultimately, we're having great time, good fun, and we're learning from this experience. It's all a great experience. We love it.